Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every dog owner should consider having on hand, the Dog First Aid Essential Care Kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Dog First Aid Kit? This comprehensive kit is designed to help you respond quickly and effectively to a variety of common emergencies your dog may face. Whether it's a minor scrape or a more serious injury, having this kit on hand can make a significant difference in your pet's well-being. Let's take a closer look at its most important features. The kit includes essential items such as antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, adhesive tape, and even a digital thermometer. It also comes with a pair of scissors and tweezers, which are super handy for removing splinters or cutting through bandages. One of the standout items is the First Aid Manual, which provides step-by-step instructions on how to handle various situations like cuts, bites, or allergic reactions. This guide is invaluable, especially if you find yourself in a stressful situation and need clear, concise instructions. Now, who is this kit suitable for? Well, it's perfect for all dog owners, whether you have a playful puppy or an older dog. If you enjoy outdoor activities with your furry friend, like hiking or camping, this kit is a must-have. It's also beneficial for those who might have dogs prone to accidents or injuries, ensuring that you're prepared for any mishap that might occur. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're out at the park and your dog gets a small cut on their paw. Instead of panicking, you can quickly access the antiseptic wipes and gauze from your first aid kit to clean and cover the wound. Or perhaps your dog has a sudden allergic reaction to something they ate. With the manual included, you can assess the situation and take appropriate action, potentially saving you a trip to the vet. Overall, the Dog First Aid Essential Care Kit is a smart investment for any responsible pet owner. It gives you peace of mind knowing that you're prepared to handle emergencies effectively, ensuring that your furry companion stays safe and healthy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.